On the story making global headlines, pop star Katy Perry is under investigation by Victoria Police over sexual assault allegations filed by Australian actress Ruby Rose. Just days ago, Rose first shared a raft of claims to social media alleging Perry assaulted her while they partied together at a Melbourne nightclub 16 years ago. Katy Perry's team has since hit back, calling these dangerous and reckless lies. For more, we're joined by Ruth Parker, criminal lawyer, coming into us live in Melbourne. Morning to you. So 16 years have passed since the alleged incident. How will this impact the investigation?
Well, it will impact the investigation in a number of ways, and it may make it unlikely that Katy Perry will be charged. She is entitled under the Constitution to a fair trial, and in circumstances where crucial evidence may have been lost, including CCTV, potential witness accounts, it's going to be difficult to see how this could be a successful prosecution, given the unfairness that she will face.
So very hard to gather evidence?
Yes, that's right. If this complaint had been made days or even weeks after it's alleged to have happened, CCTV may have still been available. There are certain liquor licensing rules about how long you have to keep CCTV, and witnesses may have been able to recall where they were within the venue, what they saw or what they didn't see. But 16 years later, all of this evidence, if it is available, is going to be unreliable because of the passage of time. And I would highly doubt that a venue in Melbourne would be holding CCTV for 16 years.
Katy Perry's team have denied these claims. Can she sue for defamation?
Well, yes. I mean, these are serious allegations to make against someone, particularly in such a public way. And let's not forget, there have been multiple opportunities across 16 years to go to Victoria Police to make this allegation and to complete a statement. But how it has occurred is through a social media platform, almost a tit for tat, then followed by a report. Now, under the defamation legislation, if Katy Perry can demonstrate that these, what she says are false allegations, have caused her serious harm, then yes, she can sue.
Is that likely that Katy Perry and her team would pursue that line?
Well, look, Katy Perry has recently been involved in other litigation in Australia. She clearly has the resources. And I would say, given her very swift statement denying the allegations and saying that they are without basis and clearly offensive, I would say that she may take that action.
Okay, and finally, what's the likelihood of Katy Perry being charged with these alleged offences by Ruby Rose?
Well, look, it's hard to say because obviously I don't know the state of the evidence, but it's very hard to put forward a prosecution. In order for Victoria Police to charge someone, they have to be satisfied that there's reasonable prospects that they can satisfy a magistrate or jury beyond reasonable doubt of the offence being made out. And in circumstances where so much evidence has been lost, and there are a few credibility issues in relation to how this complaint arose, I would say it's unlikely, possible, but unlikely.
Okay, Ruth Parker, thank you very much for your time.